Hi guys, this is Chef Sai. I'm standing with Sukumar, Satya, and Mohan right now. I'm going to go live with Amul India. We are going to make a couple of recipes with the ingredients that they have given us. And yeah, while I prepare myself, I think my team can set up how I'm going to shoot it. I'm going to give it to Mohan. So Mohan is going to handle all your questions, and then if you have any queries, you can talk to him, and then he will post the questions to me, and then I'll try to answer all the questions as much as possible. Over to you, Mohan. Hold. Can they see me? They can see me, right? So I hope everybody is following all the COVID protocols and following all the safety measures. Safety is very important right now. I hope you are all trying to be safe. So it is very important in kitchen that that we follow all the very strict measures laid by the government to stop the spread of coronavirus. So we keep doing all this. So we wear a mask, we wear gloves, we have to maintain social distancing. We pretty much are doing everything. Okay. Mohan, you have done an amazing setup. We can show them the setup while I. Show them the Amul products. Amul products. We have everybody there. You want me to wait? They see me? Right. So, I'm coming live from Grand Estancia, from Salem. So I'm right now in Tamil Nadu, and then I'm going to make one of the recipes that is pretty much famous from Tamil Nadu. It's called melagu. Melagu is basically black peppercorns. So there is a recipe called poli melagu, which actually translates to pepper chicken, pepper flavored chicken in a very typical South Indian style. But since we are being sponsored by Amul right now, I would like to use more of their products, and then I would like to have something vegetarian on the menu today. Guys, if you have any issue, any questions, or if my voice is not audible, you can always tell Mohan. Mohan is the one handling the mobile right now, and then he will answer the questions, and then he will pose the questions to me. I will answer your questions, and then if the voice is not audible, you can tell me. We will raise the volume perhaps, and then we'll make it more comfortable for you. So yeah, Amul has given me. Mohan, show them the Amul. Amul has given me paneer. They have given me butter, they have given me cow ghee, and then cheese, and then a couple of chocolates. But but yeah, we're gonna make a little snack today. So I'm gonna make pepper malagu, but I'm not gonna end the recipe with that. I'm going to make I'll make it more awesome by making it two more recipes with that particular recipe. So I'm going to make two fusion recipes where one will be a North Indian and South Indian kind of a fusion, and one will be more of an Oriental and South Indian kind of a fusion, because fusion is fun, right? You can't spell fusion without spelling fun, right? So, so yeah, we have. Did you show them the ingredients that you have submitted? So we have mushrooms here, the regular button mushrooms, and then we have Amul paneer, which is frozen actually. But yeah, it has a shelf life of 6 months. So I love this product because it has a lot of shelf life. So it stays longer in the freezer, and then it doesn't cause much damage to my food cost. So this is one of my favorite products right now. And then we have a lot of ingredients like that we're gonna use. We have fresh vegetables. We have Amul butter here, and yeah. So I'm ready to go. Then let's go into the recipe. So we have button mushrooms. So we'll just get rid of the stalks of mushrooms. Oh, and this is the time you can read the listing questions if they have, and then we can answer them. Because a lot of people probably are watching. I mean, Amul has a. Guys, can you hear me? If you can't, you can just tell Mohan. Maybe I'll come closer to you.
Why is this perfect?
Did somebody say that?
To guess sir.
Right. Awesome. So yeah, guys, I have removed the stalks of mushrooms, but yeah, usually people saute them, but and slice them for the saute. But I'm not going to do that because mushrooms have a very unique texture when they are cooked. So what happens is when I keep it chunky like this, when it's cooked, they have a bite. So when they have a bite, I mean, when people who love mushrooms are very good source of umami. So your palate loves mushrooms. They're more like meat. So if you keep it chunky like this, I mean, you will enjoy the mushroom more. I mean, if you just slice it, they're going to just disappear into the sauce. So we're going to make a very semi-gravy kind of a recipe now, which we are going to use for a sandwich. At the same time, we are going to make a wrap with it. So it's imperative that we keep it chunky a little. So I'm not going to slice it through. I'll make it chunky, like maybe the small ones can be cut into 4, and then bigger ones can be cut into 6. So keep it simple, guys. This is like a simple homemade recipe. So I don't want to make anything complicated here. It's just a very household. These are called there's something called poriyals. The people have them with rice or any other paratha or chapati. We have a fast food. So yeah, we're gonna make a side dish, and then we're gonna make it the hero of the recipe now. The mushrooms are ready now. The paneer is gonna be cut because we're gonna make a sandwich, so we don't need it to be chunky. So Amul paneer comes in cubes like this. It's like almost close to 1 inch, but we're gonna have to slice them a little bit more, right? So we will cut them into smaller pieces because we're going to make a sandwich with it. So this is not going to be a compatible shape for the
Chef, can you explain any substitute for mushroom? Instead of mushroom, we can use anything.
Guys, you can add any vegetables. I have the show them here. So instead of mushrooms, you can add zucchini. You can add a lot of vegetables, whatever you fancy. I'm making with Mohan here. So I am making with mushrooms because they have umami, and then they are I would say a substitute for meat. So what happens is when you make something like umami and you're not eating meat, so then you don't miss meat actually. So if you guys don't eat mushroom, you can definitely use zucchini or bell peppers or any other mushrooms, or you can use yam for that matter. And it's called kattal. Kattal bolte Hindi mein, the jackfruit, the raw jackfruit. You can just boil it and use it. I think that would be a very good alternative for mushrooms. I think a lot of Jain communities and all they pretty much eat all the jackfruit and other kind of vegetables. So you can go for that. So mushroom is one of my favorites. So I thought I would just make a recipe with that. So yeah, I'm slicing mushroom paneer right now. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller because, yeah, like I said, this is for the sandwich. And guys, I have used Amul paneer before. I mean, it's actually good that they come in a very ivory white kind of a color because they have very good fat content. It's very good actually. Unlike what we can make at home.
Chef, can you explain the dish of the name?
Oh, sorry. Yeah. So it's called mushroom and paneer melagu. Melagu is nothing but a Tamil term for crushed pepper, the black pepper, melagu, right? So we're going to make a small, simple recipe, and then we're going to make a sandwich with it, and then I'm going to make jala roti. I think if you want, you can refer the post that Amul has posted on Facebook. There are two recipes. We're going to make one dish and then present it in two ways for you. One is the fusion South Indian and North Indian, and one is the fusion of South Indian and Oriental, right? So I hope that answered your question. Anything else, Mohan, while I slice the paneer for you?
Instead of mushroom, can we use soya chunk?
Definitely, yes, that would be a very good alternative. Yes, absolutely, you can use soya. I mean, yeah, that's a very good alternative. Soya has very good amount of protein, and yeah, I think more than mushroom, I would say that would be the ideal substitute for meat. Yeah, it is more of an imitation kind of a product for meat. So guys, yeah, my paneer is ready, sliced now. My mushrooms are ready. So now we're going to make a recipe. So the thing is, the kitchen has to be clean all the time. That is my boys always tell that, how much I emphasize on keeping the kitchen clean. Yeah. So we're going to make, like I said, we're going to make melagu now with mushrooms and paneer. So the authentic recipe calls for a little change in the recipe, but I'm going to make it for the sandwich. I'm not making it for a meal. So since we are making it for a sandwich, I'm going to tweak the recipe a bit more. So it is compatible for a sandwich. It's actually a toasty. So we're going to make a toasty with it. Yeah, let's go into the recipe. So guys, we have gingerly oil here. That is made of sesame. It's called nallenna in Tamil Nadu. Okay. So nallenna is one of the healthiest oils that you can use. Why I am using a little oil here is, I think most of my chef fraternity would agree with me that oil has a very better smoking point than butter. If you add hot butter to a hot pan, it's just simply going to burn. So I don't want to burn the butter right now. So what I'm going to do is I have added little oil to it, and I'm going to add a little butter to it. So what happens is butter is not going to melt. Butter is not going to burn that simply because see, so the oil keeps the temperature of the pan even, right? So yeah. So I have added some butter. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of soap, a little curry leaf, कड़ी पत्ता बोलते हैं हिंदी में. So I'm just extracting the little flavor of curry leaves and soap, right? So yeah, a little sauteed. Now you can add onion. So guys, onions give the body to the sandwich. I mean, if you are making a wrap or anything for that matter. So this is where you get the body. So you can go easy on the onions, right? I'm gonna add. So yeah. So the thing is, in a traditional melagu or a chukka kind of a recipe, South Indians use shallots. So my beautiful team has set up a bowl of sliced shallots here. Thank you, Sukumar, for this. So I'm adding a couple of spoons of shallots for you. Shallots are much more sweeter. They are a little because they're smaller than onion, right? So, but they pack a lot of essence more than onions. They're like little nuggets of awesomeness. So yeah, I'm adding a little shallots to the recipe. There is a small trick that my lecturer used to, when I was doing hotel management. So my food production teacher, he taught me a small trick that whenever you are sauteing onions, just add a little pinch of salt. So I guess the trick behind this is that salt brings the moisture out of the onions, right? So what happens is they get sauteed and cooked evenly, right? So what happens is, if you look at the onions, they're not like exact size. They're sliced into exact sizes. They're like roughly cut, and then they're not of the same size. They're not measured and cut. So what happens is when you're making a recipe like this, if you add a little bit of salt, what happens is they get sauteed and cooked very evenly. So we're going to saute it. While we are sauteing it, if you have any questions, you can ask me. I can answer a little question for you.
Can we blanch the mushrooms here?
See, mushrooms are very easy to cook. There are people who eat raw mushrooms also. The thing is, I am a guy who who suggests that that you don't cook the vegetables too much, right? Mushrooms, and it is very important when you cook mushrooms like this. When you cook mushrooms like this, the salt is going to extract the water out of it. The mushrooms are going to leave the water, and the mushrooms are going to get cooked in the same water of it. Au jus, okay? So in French it's called au jus. So what happens is when you do that, the dish gets the maximum flavor of mushroom. So I don't suggest boiling the mushroom. You have to cook the mushrooms in its own juices. That would be the best we could do. But yeah, definitely these are washed and wiped. So yeah, don't skip that part.
Apart from this, what do you mean by salad? They are just explaining that.
What is it?
Salad. What do you mean by salad?
Salad.
Salad.
We are focusing on this recipe right now. Yeah, guys, I'll be coming live again, so I'll post all your answers. Salad is nothing but a bowl of vegetables or meat that you can have instead of a meal. So it is just a it's a huge topic. That's something that I cannot answer in a simple question. There are a lot of salads, like there are simple salads and there are compound salads. There are where a simple salad would be a couple of ingredients. You can just make a salad with just tomato and then a dressing. So we have a couple of dressings here. So we can just add, if I add mushrooms and tomatoes and a dressing, that would be a simple salad. But classic recipes like Waldorf or Russian salad call for much more, much bigger list of ingredients. So it is going to be a little. They have a lot of flavors inside, right? It's not just one recipe or one ingredient. They're not single product recipes. So normally compound salads are like 4 or 5 elements in a ball, and then you toss them up with a dressing. So yeah, each ingredient plays a role in it. So if I'm making a Greek salad, tomato brings the moisture to it. Lettuce has some flavor and then greenery to it, and then onions, and then cheese has fat and then nutrition. So salads are just what do I tell you? It's just a bowl of meal that you can have. I mean, it can be raw, it can be warm. It is a very very generic kind of a question. So yeah.
Can you explain one time in Hindi also, sir?
डेफिनेटली मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन मेरा हिंदी इतना खास नहीं है. बट या आई कैन स्पीक हिंदी में बोल सकता हूँ. अगर आपको कुछ आंसर चाहिए हिंदी में तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. मैं हिंदी में भी बात करूँगा. तो अभी तक मैं यही कर रहा था कि मैंने जिंजली ऑयल डाला इसमें, और थोड़ा सा सौंफ को सौते किया और कड़ी पत्ता के साथ. उसके बाद छोटा वाला ऑनियन डाला मैंने, उसके बाद प्याज डाला, प्याज डाल के अभी तक थोड़ा ब्राउन कलर में लेके आया अभी तक. दैट इज व्हाट अभी तक मैंने इतना ही किया. सो तो मैंने एक छोटा सा टिप दिया था बीच में दैट जब भी आप ऑनियन सौते कर रहे हो तो आप थोड़ा सा नमक डाल सकते ताकि वो इवनली कुक हो जाए, यू नो. So that was one tip that I gave in English, so for your benefit. So guys, now a couple of there are a couple of ways you can make this recipe, but I like to add some ginger garlic. There are people who avoid it, you know, since it's a pepper flavored kind of recipe. So add a little bit more.
Can you explain in Hindi also?
यस यस. तो मैं अभी अदरक लहसुन पेस्ट डाला मैंने प्याज के साथ. प्याज को मैंने ब्राउन कलर लेके आ गया मैंने, और अभी जिंजर अदरक लहसुन पेस्ट ऐड करने का वक्त आ गया. तो मैंने ऐड कर दिया अभी. तो उसको भी थोड़ा ब्राउन करेंगे, राइट. तो अभी थोड़ा जिंजर गार्लिक को अदरक लहसुन पेस्ट को सौते कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा पका रहे हैं उसको. उसका जो रॉ फ्लेवर है थोड़ा उसको निकाल देंगे. तो थोड़ा ऑनियन के साथ वो पकाना पड़ेगा उसको. Any more question?
Sir, they are asking again recipe name.
Recipe name Melagu. So paneer and mushroom Melagu. Melagu is pepper again. So Kali Mirch. Melagu is nothing but
Sir, can you please say your name?
sorry.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Sai Chand. I am the culinary director of Grand Essentia Salem and Live Grand Hotels. So we are based in South India. So we have like 35 plus properties across South India, and then so yeah, I'm in the corporate office right now. Corporate office is the Hotel Grand Essentia. This is our corporate office. So yeah, I'm the culinary director of the group. So guys, next I'm going to add, now that I don't know, I'm going to have to switch between languages, I guess. Now I'm going to have to do both Hindi and English. So yeah, I'm going to add some tomato now, just because I'm using it for a sandwich or a toasty. I'm going to add little tomato. Not many people prefer tomatoes in a recipe like this, but I'm going to add this because I need some moisture in a toasty. Like tomato add करने से ही थोड़ा moisture मिलता है toasty के, नहीं तो वो बहुत dry हो जाता है. ठीक है. Like imagine a pav bhaji without tomatoes at all. Like it will be very dry, right? ना मजा नहीं आएगा उसमें.
Sir, Sai and this lovely chef.
Sorry?
Sir, Sai and this lovely chef. Lovely chef.
Lovely. Oh, okay. Thank you. तो yeah, अभी टोमेटो सौते कर रहा हूँ मैं. It's a very simple recipe, guys. It's not a very complicated recipe. So guys, while I'm cooking it for you, you can just share the live demo with a lot of your friends. You can share it with a lot of people. So you don't have fun alone. You can share it with a lot of people. They can try the recipe. And then guys, I have an Instagram feed. You can share it with. You can try the recipe once it's done. You can. I'm called the Yes Chef. So my name is Sai. So Sai Chef is just became Yes Chef, and then you can just find me on Instagram as Chef Sai Chand. You can post. You can try the recipe, and then you can tag me, and then you can post it to me. I would love to see how you guys are faring in the kitchen. Like, you know, I'd be very happy if you try the recipes here, right? So yeah, I'm gonna add a little green chili. I wanted to avoid it, but yeah, I think my boys would like a little bit spiciness in the dish, because I wouldn't want a green chili coming in between a sandwich, right? So I added little green chili here.
Your Hindi is nice. Yes.
Oh, thank you. See, basically I'm from Andhra Pradesh, so I studied Hindi. हिंदी तो मैं पढ़ भी सकता हूँ, लिख भी सकता हूँ. इतना ये प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मैंने नॉर्थ इंडिया में कभी काम नहीं किया, तो यूज करने का मौका नहीं मिला. बट या होटल इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारे शेफ्स होते हैं, गढ़वाली शेफ्स होते हैं, पंजाबी शेफ्स होते हैं, उनसे बात करते करते सीख लिया मैंने हिंदी वैसे. बट या हिंदी तो मैं बात कर लेता हूँ वैसे. थोड़ी सी देर और, तो थोड़ा सा टोमेटो को पका देंगे, थोड़ा सा मॉइस्चर उसका निकलने दो. थोड़ा कच्चा भी चलता है, ऐसा नहीं है कि टोमेटो पूरा पकना चाहिए. थोड़ा रॉ टेक्सचर चलता है, रॉ फ्लेवर चलता है, सिंस इट्स सैंडविच. सैंडविच तो हम रॉ टोमेटो से बनाते हैं, तो इतना पूरा पकाने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. तो रॉ फ्लेवर भी चलेगा ये सैंडविच में, टोस्टी में, राइट. सो या तो अभी नेक्स्ट में डालने वाला हूँ, मोहन शो देम द मसालास दैट वी गोना ऐड. नेक्स्ट वी गोइंग टू ऐड टर्मरिक, थोड़ा चिली पाउडर, कोरिएंडर, a little garam masala, right? So finally we'll be adding a little pepper. पेपर क्या होता है, पेपर ऐड करने से अभी ऐड करने से क्या होता है, पेपर का जो खड़वापन होता है वो पूरा डिश को खराब कर देगा. तो फाइनली ऐड किया जाता है, बिकॉज द पेपर का जो फ्लेवर है उसको रिटेन भी करना है हमको रेसिपी में. तो अगर अभी ऐड कर देंगे तो पूरा खड़वापन आ जाएगा, इट बिकम्स टू स्पाइसी, एंड जो पेपर का जो ब्यूटीफुल फ्लेवर होता है वो भी खराब हो जाएगा. सो वील ऐड पेपर इन एट द लास्ट मिनट. एंड एक और इंग्रेडिएंट जो लास्ट में हम ऐड करने वाले हैं वो है कड़ी पत्ता. कड़ी पत्ता इज समथिंग दैट आई लव, बिकॉज उसका जो फ्लेवर है वो बहुत यूनिक होता है. तो मैंने पहले भी डाल रखा हूँ कड़ी पत्ता इसमें, लेकिन अभी भी लास्ट में फिर से मैं ऐड करूंगा ही, ठीक है. राइट, अभी थोड़ा सा टोमेटो को मैंने ये कर दिया. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड सम मसालास नाउ. तो लिटिल टर्मरिक, हल्दी, थोड़ा सा हल्दी तो चलता ही है इंडियन क्विजीन में, बिकॉज या गाइस दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट राइट नाउ. दिस व्हाट इज गोइंग टू प्रोटेक्ट यू, यू नो. So because right now you need to boost your immunity, right? तो ये जो इंग्रेडिएंट है ये बहुत खतरनाक वाला इंग्रेडिएंट है, पूरा दुनिया इसके पीछे पड़ा है. अभी हल्दी एक चीज है, अभी आपको बहुत खाना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि पूरा 1 लीटर दूध मत पियो, इसके साथ थोड़ा सा हल्दी लेना जरूरी है अभी, बिकॉज इसमें इम्यूनिटी का जो क्वालिटी है वो बहुत तगड़ा है इसका, राइट. सो थोड़ा सा हल्दी डाल दिया मैंने, थोड़ा हल्का सा और थोड़ा डाल देता हूँ. Guys, I have sanitized my hands, so I think I can use my hands, right? So yeah, थोड़ा सा चिली पाउडर भी डाल दिया मैंने. So I am adding a little chili powder. कोरिएंडर पाउडर है, धनिया भी थोड़ा चलता है, राइट. तो थोड़ा सा ऐसा है कि नो चिली पाउडर से थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा डाला जाता है, राइट. सो या मसाला डाल दिया मैंने. थोड़ा इसको ना पकाना पड़ता है थोड़ा मसाला को, क्योंकि इसका जो रॉ फ्लेवर होता है, चिली पाउडर का रॉ फ्लेवर, उसको हमको पका के थोड़ा निकालना पड़ेगा उसको, राइट. थोड़ा सा आई थिंक अभी इसमें जो मॉइस्चर है, आई ऑलवेज टेल माई बॉयज कि जब भी आप मसाला पका रहे हो ना, तो पहले मेरा एक शेफ था, उन्होंने मेरे को सिखाया था कि जब भी आप मसाला अगर ऐड करना है एक रेसिपी में, टेक दिस एज ए टिप टू, तो उसको जिसमें पानी ज़्यादा होता है रेसिपी उसमें ऐड नहीं किया जाता, क्योंकि ना पानी में मसाला पकता नहीं है, ठीक है. हमेशा उसको फैट में पकाना पड़ता है, ठीक है. क्योंकि अगर आपको मसाला एक्स्ट्रा डालना है तो एक पैन ले लो, थोड़ा सा ऑयल डालो उसमें, और थोड़ा जो भी आपको मसाला डालना है, मसाला पाउडर डालना है उसको डालो, थोड़ा हल्का सा पकाओ, जलाना नहीं, पकाना है. तो उसके बाद उसको ऐड कर सकते हैं, ताकि उसका जो रॉ फ्लेवर होता है वो जल्दी हट जाता है इसमें गरम तेल या बटर, घी, वड़े. सो गाइस थोड़ा सा नमक भी डाल लेते हैं, पहले थोड़ा डाला है हमने, फिर आई विल बी टेस्टिंग द रेसिपी एट द एंड, पूरा रेडी होने के बाद आई विल बी सीजनिंग इट अगेन, राइट। नमक डाल लिया मैंने, तो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड मशरूम्स। थोड़ा सा मशरूम्स, तो अभी यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ लिटिल चेंज हियर। तो क्या है ना, मशरूम का एक क्वालिटी है, जब भी हम उसको पकाते हैं थोड़ा पानी निकल जाता है उसका, एंड लाइक आई सेड, इसको किसी ने पूछा मेरे से कि वेदर वी कैन पारबॉइल द मशरूम्स, जरूरत नहीं है, तो बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है। तो अभी उसको अभी नमक डाला ना, नमक डालने की वजह से अभी मशरूम का जो पानी होता है, मॉइस्चर होता है, वो अभी निकल जाएगा, एंड मशरूम अभी उसी में ही पकेगा, पकेगा पकेगा।
Can you explain in Telugu, please?
Telugu? Who is asking it? How did they know that I'm from Andhra Pradesh?
Bharati Raghavendra. Bharati Raghavendra.
Okay. Good that you asked in Telugu. Okay. తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే ఇప్పుడు మష్రూమ్స్ పుట్టగొడుగులు కదా, పుట్టగొడుగులు ఉప్పేసి కొంచెం సాతే చేసినామంటే ఏమవుతుందంటే దాంట్లోనే మాయిశ్చర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో కొంచెం సో దాన్ని ఎవరో అడిగారు అనమాట, ఇప్పుడు నీళ్ళు వేసి బాయిల్ చేయాలన్నా, బాయిల్ చేసిన తర్వాత యాడ్ చేయాలని అడిగినారు. సో అది అవసరం లేదు, ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు ఉప్పు వేస్తున్నాం, కుక్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి మష్రూమ్స్లో ఉండే మాయిశ్చర్ మొత్తం కూడా రెసిపీకి వస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు. సో అది అవసరం లేదని ఇంతసేపు చెప్పాను. సో ఐ స్విచ్ బ్యాక్ టు హిందీ అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ రైట్ నౌ. So because I've been asked officially to converse in Hindi and English, but thanks for asking. Now people know that I can speak Telugu as well.
Instead of paneer, can we use coconut milk?
Coconut
Milk.
Coconut milk, yeah, but instead of what?
Paneer.
Paneer. I would say if you are a vegan, I mean I don't know if this question is coming from a vegan. Vegans avoid dairy products, so if the question from vegan, see the thing is what paneer brings to this recipe is something else. It brings a little creaminess to it, it brings a little texture to it. That is not what a coconut milk would do. Coconut milk adds consistency and flavor. तो थोड़ा सा अभी मशरूम का पानी निकल रहा है, बट स्टिल अगर थोड़ा जल्दी करने के लिए we'll add little water to it. तो Sukumar has given me little jug of water. Well, I'm adding a little water here. तो पानी ऐड करने से क्या होता है, just by adding a little water, you are bringing the temperature to a even temperature, right? तो क्या होता है, अभी पूरा एक मिक्सचर बन गया है, homogeneous मिक्सचर बोलते हैं उसको हम in cooking terminology. बहुत सारे I guess I'm using a lot of cooking terminology now. तो क्या है ना, अभी एक छोटा सा सब्जी बन रहा है, अभी साउथ इंडियन वाला सब्जी, तो वही चाहिए था हमको. So we are making actually this is nothing but a mushroom and pepper paneer sabji flavored with paneer, और कुछ नहीं है, right? So we are making a little this thing here, guys. I now little in some time I'm going to add little paneer to this, right? We're going to use Amul paneer now, right? तो ये क्या है ना, तो हमेशा ever since I worked in the restaurant industry, बहुत लोग कंप्लेन कर दे कि ना पनीर आपका बहुत हार्ड है, पनीर बहुत हार्ड है आपका, पनीर बहुत हार्ड है, नहीं मजा नहीं आया पनीर हार्ड आने का दो ही चांसेस होता है, वजह दो ही होता है, ठीक है? एक है पनीर का क्वालिटी, सस्ता वाला पनीर जिसमें फैट कंटेंट बहुत कम होता है. Paneer which has very low fat content is not going to add lot of richness to the recipe, right? तो अगर आपका पनीर सस्ता वाला हो या it doesn't have any fat content, तो क्या होता है, it is not bringing a lot to the recipe, right? So that is one thing. And एक और चीज है, lot of chefs cook it for too long. तो क्या करते हैं, पहले तेल से पकाते हैं, फ्राई करके रेसिपी में डालते हैं और अलग से पका के डालते हैं. तो वो क्या होता है, when you are doing it, cooking it for too long or 2 or 3 times, क्या होता है, इसका जो मॉइस्चर है वो निकल जाता है, once moisture निकल गया तो what is it? It's just protein and fat, right? What is protein and fat? It will be very hard for you to eat. So it is the chef's responsibility to retain the moisture. तो मैं ये सब क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? अभी मैं लास्ट में ऐड करने वाला हूँ. Once I'm almost done with the recipe, मैंने बोला लास्ट में पेपर ऐड करने वाला हूँ. उससे थोड़ा सा पहले मैं पनीर ऐड करूँगा ताकि उसका ताकि we don't lose the moisture of the पनीर. I'm going to taste it a little. It's good. It's good. तो पनीर भी ऐड कर देंगे थोड़ा सा, राइट? तो गाइस ये रेसिपी जो है मेलेगू रेसिपी, तो साउथ इंडियन में ना, ये साउथ इंडिया में दे मेक इट इन वेरी रस्टिक काइंड ऑफ कढ़ाई. तो थोड़ा सा ब्राउन कलर आ जाता है, ब्राउनिश ब्लैक कलर. आई लव दैट कलर बिकॉज इट स्पीक्स ऑफ ऑथेंटिसिटी इन द रेसिपी, राइट? आई लव दैट कलर. बट वी आर making something of a sabzi here for the sandwich. So yeah, pretty much we are there. I'm going to add little more water here. थोड़ा सा और पकाना पड़ेगा. Right? Yeah, so we are moving to the next stage now. So now what is left in this is seasoning and flavoring. अभी डिश का बॉडी रेडी है, तो थोड़ा सा उसको फ्लेवर कर देंगे, थोड़ा सीजन करेंगे. उसका जो कंप्लीटनेस जो है रेसिपी का, तो क्या है ना, और मेरा एक शेफ था जब मैं चेन्नई में काम कर रहा था, तो एक शेफ है मेरा, सिखाया मेरे को कि हर इंग्रेडिएंट का एक रोल होता है रेसिपी में, एंड एवरी इंग्रेडिएंट प्लेस ए वेरी ब्यूटीफुल रोल. तो क्या है ना, तो आई बिलीव दैट हर्ब्स प्ले अ वेरी गुड रोल इन अ रेसिपी. हर्ब्स मतलब अभी मैं कोरिएंडर यूज किया, बेसिल इज ए हर्ब, कड़ी पत्ता भी हर्ब बोल सकते हैं, रोजमेरी इज ए हर्ब. तो चाहे वो कोई भी रेसिपी हो, आई यूज ए लॉट ऑफ हर्ब्स बिकॉज हर्ब्स ऐड करने से जो फ्रेशनेस मिलता है किसी चीज में नहीं मिलता है. ठीक है, जो फ्रेशनेस होता है ना, वो हरापन, द फ्रेशनेस ऑफ एन इंग्रेडिएंट कम्स फ्रॉम द हर्ब एंड आल्सो ब्यूटीफुल फ्लेवर. So yeah, I added a little coriander here. So I'm not going to cook a little bit more now because already काफी पका लिया. Like I said, I don't want to cook paneer too much because I don't want to lose the moisture in paneer. So now we're going to move it to like I said, I'm going to add little curry leaf. Normally उसका chop नहीं करते, but here I'm doing it because we are going to use it for a toasty. थोड़ा सा curry leaves, कड़ी पत्ता. So now comes the main part, the melagoo. So I said the melagoo, right? This is one of the main ingredients in this recipe. The name, it is so important that the recipe itself is named after the ingredient, right? तो recipe इसका खासियत ये है कि it adds spiciness लेके आता है recipe में. At the same time it chili का spiciness होता है, तो it's a beautiful flavor according to me, right? It's not very spicy. So I'm adding a little crushed pepper here. It's अभी इसको क्या किया हमने, सुकुमार ने क्या किया, इधर थोड़ा सा उसको पैन में, ड्राई वाला पैन में फ्राई करके, थोड़ा सा सॉटे करके ड्राई पैन में उसको पाउडर करके लेके आ गया. सो इट्स फ्रेशली ग्राउंड ब्लैक पेपर, तो वो ऐड कर लिया हमने अभी. तो नॉर्मली रेसिपी में क्या करते हैं शेफ्स, फिनिश इफ यू आर कुकिंग मटन और चिकन काइंड ऑफ ए रेसिपी, दे ऐड अ लिटिल, थोड़ा तोड़ के ना रेड चिली डाल देते. बट आई डोंट वांट टू डू इट बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू, प्रॉबेबली थोड़ा सा डाल सकते हैं, लेकिन क्या है ना, सैंडविच में अच्छा नहीं लगता. So maybe we can just add it and remove it later. Yeah. So yeah. Right. So I have added red chili also, but I will make sure that I'll remove it because जो sandwich खाने वाला है तो उसको आएगा चिल्ली अगर आ गया तो टोस्टी के बीच में, right? So we'll add little butter to it to make it more. I'm using Amul butter here, तो थोड़ा सा right. तो गाइस हमारा जो रेसिपी का जो मेन हीरो है वो रेडी है, मेन इंग्रेडिएंट जो है वो रेडी है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू बस वी हैव 3 स्टेप्स टुडे. So first part of the recipe is ready. How long do I have now? Already कितना टाइम हो गया? What's time? Do I have more time? So guys, I'm moving the masala, the pepper masala that I made. Malagu is nothing but pepper masala. Like if you ask a North Indian, probably any other part of India, probably they will call it a pepper masala, right? Malagu is nothing but pepper. So yeah. So we're gonna need a new pan now, right? So before you move on to the next stage, always make sure that your kitchen is clean because yeah, that is how you prove that you are a professional, right? So kitchen हमेशा clean होना चाहिए. So my mixture is ready now. I'm going to keep it aside. I'll keep it here. So yeah, we are moving to the second stage of the recipe. The recipe is very simple now. So I'm going to make a toasty. Toasty ना एक छोटा सा कुछ नहीं है. Like गुजरात में दबेली जो होता है, गुजराती दबेली, you could call that a toasty. गोवन cuisine में toasties है. It is nothing but एक छोटा सा सैंडविच बनाएंगे, थोड़ा सा पैन में सेक लेंगे उसको, तो that उसको toasty बोलते हैं. So I have my bread here, freshly baked bread. तो आप चाहिए तो जो रेगुलर सैंडविच ब्रेड जो मिलता है सुपरमार्केट में वो भी यूज कर सकते हैं, कोई नहीं. Since my I think you know we have a very good pastry team here. So my pastry team को बोल दिया मैंने कि ऐसा बढ़िया सा मैं अमूल का फेसबुक लाइव डेमो बना रहा हूँ मैं, तो उन्होंने मेरे लिए एक बढ़िया सा ब्रेड बना लिया मेरे लिए. तो ये आई हैव अ वेरी गुड होममेड लोफ नाउ. आपको चाहिए तो आप रेगुलर ब्रेड भी यूज कर सकते हैं, कोई नहीं, राइट? सो वी गोना स्लाइस इट नाउ. थोड़ा सा थिक होना चाहिए, नहीं कि ताकि राइट. सो ये जो पार्ट है ना, सो ब्रेड का जो पार्ट है, ट्रिमिंग्स है, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है बिकॉज यू नो इट्स प्रॉपरली कुक्ड, राइट? तो मोर देन द स्टफिंग, द एज इज प्रॉपरली कुक्ड. सो मजा आता है मेरे को इसमें. सो आई लाइक टू हैव इट विद मसाला, यू नो, लाइक ए पाव भाजी. अगर ऐसा कुछ चीज़ है तो ग्रेवी में डुबा के खा सकते हैं. सो डोंट थ्रो दिस, आई लव दिस पार्ट, सो वी विल ऑलवेज सेव दिस, राइट? सो ब्रेड को हम साइड में रख देंगे. So I have like 6 slices of bread here. 6 slices ले लिया मैंने. तो मैं 3 सैंडविच और 3 टोस्टीज बनाऊंगा मैं अब. तो ये क्या है ना, अभी now I have अमूल बटर.
इतना ब्रेड नहीं क्या?
It's just a homemade मतलब जो हमारा होटल का जो बेकरी है ना, ग्रैंड एस्टेंशिया का. So we have a brand called Love Patties. क्या हुआ? Okay. So it's just a normal bread, guys. You can flavor it. You can flavor it with coriander. You can flavor it. Am I live? Okay, right. So you can flavor it with any flavor. You can flavor it with pepper. You can flavor it with आप bread जब बना रहे हो आप उसमें toasted pepper powder डाल सकते हैं, सौंफ डाल सकते हैं, cumin डाल सकते हैं, curry leaf डाल सकते हैं, chili डाल सकते हैं. You can always flavor your bread with anything that you want. क्योंकि अगर हम South Indian recipe बना रहे हैं तो इसमें हम हल्दी और कड़ी पत्ता का bread बना सकते हैं. We can do that. Since I don't want to complicate it too much for you, तो मैंने simple plain bread ले लिया. तो इट इज जस्ट अनदर जस्ट दैट आपको जो मिलता है सुपरमार्केट में वो रेक्टेंगल क्यूबॉइड शेप में होता है. दिस इज जस्ट अ हैंडमेड loaf. That is it. Pretty much the recipe is the same, right? So yeah, I'm gonna apply a little butter to it, Amul butter. So I'm using utterly butterly delicious taste of India Amul pasteurized butter, right? So yeah, so I'm applying a little butter. It's very, probably I was this young when I saw the ad. So it is such a legendary brand. I was this old probably when I saw the ad. It's such a old brand. It is Taste of India. Yeah. So I'm using Amul butter here. So Amul not just Amul butter, any butter for that matter, उसको bread को इसलिए apply किया जाता है क्योंकि ना bread का जो quality है, because it's lot of carbs, right? Whatever mixture that you add, वो क्या होता है, butter stops the bread from taking up the moisture. इसलिए आप if you go to a very any good burger brand or any sandwich brand, they apply some mayonnaise, some butter to the bread because और चीज को ब्रेड के साथ रखते हैं, इसलिए रखते हैं. इस माई टिप 3 ऑफ द डे. तो नॉर्मली लोग सीधा ना क्या करते हैं, इसके ऊपर लेट्यूस रख देते हैं ब्रेड के ऊपर. तो क्या है ना, वो करना नहीं चाहिए. जो लेट्यूस में जो पानी होता है, बड़ा पे ओके, तो लेट्यूस का जो पानी होता है ना, वो ब्रेड ऑब्जॉर्व करके ब्रेड बहुत सॉगी हो जाता है. सो डोंट डू दैट. लाइक अगर आपको लेट्यूस रखना भी है, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूज लेट्यूस टुडे, बट अगर आपको लेट्यूस यूज करना है, then you can't cook the sandwich because lettuce रख के सैंडविच को पकाते नहीं, राइट? तो थोड़ा सा बटर अप्लाई किया मैंने, तो आई एम गोना टोस्ट इट अ लिटिल. स्लो फ्रायर में, आई डोंट वांट टू कुक इट, आई डोंट वांट टू कुक द ब्रेड. थोड़ा टोस्ट करेंगे बिकॉज द ब्रेड इज सॉफ्ट. मेरा 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 जो मसाला है वो भी सॉफ्ट है. तो क्या करना है हमको, थोड़ा सा टेक्सचर वेरिएशन के लिए विल टोस्ट इट अ बिट मोर, हल्का सा, ज्यादा नहीं. टोस्ट मतलब रस्क मत बना उसको, हल्का सा टोस्ट करेंगे. तो मेरा 6 पीसेस को मैंने पैन में रख दिया इधर. कीप द एरिया क्लीन नाउ. Because my whole team is watching, so अगर मैं clean kitchen में काम नहीं किया तो they will not listen to me tomorrow. It's very important that I maintain a clean kitchen now.
Bread is looking very good.
Sorry?
Bread is looking very good.
Bread is looking very good. Thank you. I think my pastry team deserves all the credit now because they have made a beautiful bread now. Yeah, if you can see that, it's a soft loaf. It's not very crusty because I don't want to make a toasty with a hard bread because ऑलरेडी क्रस्टी है और भी क्रस्टी हो जाता है. तो आई वांट टू ऐड लिटिल टेक्सचर टू इट. तो थोड़ा सा मैंने सॉफ्ट एंड इसे दोनों के बीच में लेके आ गया मैंने ब्रेड को. सो या आई थिंक इट सर्व्स द पर्पस वेरी परफेक्टली, राइट? सो गाइस, आई एम टोस्टिंग द ब्रेड राइट नाउ. इट्स नॉट वेरी हॉट. तो थोड़ा सा टोस्ट करेंगे. Guys, while you're watching the recipe, please don't forget to share the recipe with your friends on Facebook. You can always share the live video to everybody. You can invite a lot of people to view the recipe right now. I don't know how many people are watching it, but yeah, you can always make sure that a lot of people get the action, right? Many people can have fun as well. तो ये जो लॉकडाउन पीरियड में ऐसा ही किचन में खाना वाना बना के थोड़ा एंजॉय करना पड़ता है टाइम को, राइट? बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग थ्रू a little tough time now. So I hope my recipe will bring some fun into your life, and then I hope you will try it at home. इतना छोटा सा सिंपल सा रेसिपी बनाया मैंने कि आप घर पे भी बना सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको रेस्टोरेंट जाके ऑर्डर करना पड़े. तो थोड़ा सा टोस्ट हो गया. नाउ माय ब्रेड इज गेटिंग टोस्टेड, लिटिल गोल्डन टेक्सचर थोड़ा सा. तो अभी टोस्ट हो गया और दिस इज इनफ. ये जो रेसिपी है इसके लिए इतना सा टोस्टिंग काफ़ी है, बिकॉज आई एम गोना स्टफ इट नाउ, राइट?
Chef, you are so smart. Chef, you are most smart.
आई एम
You are
सो
looking
स्मार्ट. ओह, थैंक यू.
Good effort. Recipe is awesome.
थैंक यू गाइस. तो अभी पैन को ना टोस्ट करने के बाद हमेशा क्लीन कर लीजिए, बिकॉज क्या होता है ना, नेक्स्ट आप ऑयल में पका रहे हो तो क्या होता है, उसका जो लेफ्ट ओवर जो क्रम्स होता है ना वो जल के इसी में आ जाता है. तो क्या करना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा पैन को हमेशा क्लीन रखना चाहिए. द पैन इज क्लीन राइट नाउ. सो आई एम गोना मेक इट टोस्टी नाउ. सो सुकुमार थोड़ा सा जूम में लेके आ जाओ ताकि द यस स्क्वाड कैन सी व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू हियर. सो गाइस थोड़ा सा इतना भी है नहीं. तो गाइस व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू इज, जो हमने मिक्सर बनाया उसको हल्का सा हम स्टफिंग कर देंगे, राइट? डोंट वरी गाइस, आई हैव सैनिटाइज्ड माय हैंड्स आपके सामने. एंड द फूड इज हॉट, एंड देन सो डोंट वरी, वी आर गोना कुक इट इवन मोर नाउ. सो
Your explanation is very nice.
oh, thank you guys. So we are making 3 toasties, right? So I got the stuffing on 3 toasties. We're going to use it now. I have one more recipe in my kitty for you. So I'm going to make one more recipe. So now अभी जो toasty है, अभी bread आ गया, main body, थोड़ा सा मसाला आ गया, अभी pepper flavored melagoo आ गया. Now I want to add some cheese to it. ठीक है? So Amul got me a little cheese now. इनका पैकेजिंग तगड़ा होता है यार हमेशा. आई हैव यूज्ड अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रांड्स सो फार. तो अमूल का जो पैकिंग होता है ना वो कोई बीट नहीं कर सकता. तगड़ा पैकिंग होता है इनका. या आई कीप द पैकेट बैक. लेकिन नॉर्मली आई कांट ओपन इट दैट इजी. द स्लाइसेस आर थिक एंड गुड, राइट? See, the thickness of the each slice is really good. That is what I like about Amul. It actually speaks a lot about quality. So butter apply किया मैंने. Where is my mayonnaise?
Chef, can you explain the stuffing? Repeat.
It is the same recipe that we have been doing as the mushroom and paneer melagoo, the pepper flavored paneer and mushroom masala. यही जो हम बना रहे हैं अभी पिछले 20 minutes से. क्या टाइम हो रहा है? What time is it now?
4:55.
55. It's already been an hour. Okay, we'll finish it off soon, guys. So थोड़ा सा this is the
It's all.
so I'm gonna add some little mayonnaise to it. थोड़ा सा माइनस जो है ना, प्लीज यू कैन ऑलवेज गेट इट इन सुपर मार्केट. अभी वेजिटेबल माइनस तो मिल ही रहा है. तो आई ट्राई टू कीप इट अ लिटिल वेजिटेरियन हियर. तो वेजिटेबल माइनस को थोड़ा सा चिली पेस्ट से मैंने फ्लेवर कर लिया. इट इज जस्ट वन थिंग दैट वी यूज इन द किचन. आपको अगर रेसिपी चाहिए तो मैं अगले सेशन में मैं आपको बना के दिखाऊंगा कि वेजिटेबल माइनस कैसे बना सकते हैं या फ्लेवर कर सकते हैं. So this is my vegetable mayonnaise just for the moisture और कुछ नहीं है. तो I'm adding a little cheese now. तो थोड़ा अगर आपका रेसिपी इतना सिंपल हो, you can always तो चीज रख दिया मैंने, राइट. छोटा पड़ गया थोड़ा. Use a bigger slice. So now our mini sandwiches are ready. Nice. So pepper and cheese का जो sandwich है वो ready है. So now we're going to just make a toasty out of it. So any questions while my pan is getting hot? No. Right. So I'm going to add the same. The first tip was to you guys was not adding butter directly to the pan. तो थोड़ा सा pan को अगर अभी. So now we're going to add the toasties.
Chef, I like cheese in my food.
Cheese in what?
I like food. I cheese in my food. Every food.
Yeah, we all love cheese in food. And I love it. You love Sukumar?
Yeah, I love it, chef. Please repeat the recipe. Late joining.
Late joining.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. Once I'm done with the recipe, I will give a small briefing about the recipe now, because you're already in the middle now. So I'm just toasting the recipe. I'll finish it with the little knowledge, right? So yeah, this is the color I'm looking at, guys. Like ज़्यादा brown नहीं होना चाहिए, थोड़ा golden brown, right? This is the exact color I'm looking at, because जो toasty जो है वो ज़्यादा काला नहीं हो जाना चाहिए, right? जो मशरूम का और चीज़ का जो, see look at this color, guys. This is the color I'm looking at, right? तो ये आपको अगर चाहिए तो आपको कुछ नहीं, पैन को मीडियम हीट में रखना चाहिए. एंड दिस हैपेंस व्हेन यू डोंट बर्न द बटर. व्हेन यू डोंट बर्न द बटर, द टिप इज, द फर्स्ट टिप दैट आई गेव यू वाज एडिंग अ लिटिल बिफोर यू एडिंग बटर. बटर ऐड करने से पहले आपको थोड़ा सा ऑयल डालना पड़ता है पैन में, ताकि द बटर डजंट बर्न. व्हेन द बटर बर्न, जब बटर जल जाता है तो योर सैंडविच, योर टोस्टी गेट्स वेरी डार्क, so which I don't like, right? So that is not what we are looking at here. So अभी अगर आप देख सकते हैं कि इतना गोल्डन ब्राउन, थोड़ा सा, you can always add little butter. Butter makes everything better. So I don't know who came up with that, right? It's not us. So butter makes everything better. So yeah, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप रोज बटर खा लो. So guys, see, it's got a very good golden brown and golden brown kind of texture and color. I don't know if you can hear this, but it has a crispiness. You can always hear the sound, right? It has formed the crust that I wanted, like the crispiness, right? So it is crispy now. थोड़ा सा और हल्का सा पका लेंगे उसको. So I prepare the video for my next stage now. So guys, yeah. See, this is the beautiful texture I was looking at. I was looking for a very good golden kind of. See the crispiness, but अंदर जो mixture है, अंदर का जो अभी sandwich का जो color है, see if you can, yeah, it's hot now. So जो sandwich का जो color है, it's golden brown. ऊपर से crusty texture है, लेकिन अंदर जो mayonnaise and paneer and mushrooms and cheese, they all have, they are all going to add some moisture to it. So it's a variance in textures, right? So that is what we want. So I have made a beautiful sauce here. So क्योंकि एक टोमेटो केचप जैसा ये डाल दिया मैंने. So I'm just gonna right थोड़ा सा sauce to enjoy your toasty. So now we have the toasty. Keep it like this. We'll plate it.
It's lovely colors, looking yummy.
Thank you, guys. So guys, promise I have made you a beautiful, paneer and mushroom melagu toasties. So you can have soon now. So guys, we are moving on to the third stage now. So we are going to make the jala roti. So जो अभी mixture जो बचा है हमारा, I have a little more mixture now. So I'm making one more recipe for you guys. That is your jala roti. Jala roti जो है, रोटी जाला बोलते हैं मलेशियन, एक स्ट्रीट स्नैक है वो, जो हमारा पैनकेक डोसा जैसा एक पैनकेक होता है. Is it okay?
Yes,
Yeah. जो पैनकेक जैसा होता है, it is ये रोटी जाला जो है.
Love your presentation, sir.
थैंक यू. रोटी जाला जो है वो स्ट्रीट स्नैक होता है एंड इट लुक्स लाइक एक नेट की तरह दिखता है. ठीक है, तो आई एम मेकिंग रोटी जाला बैटर नाउ. बहुत सिंपल सा बैटर है. आई विल पोस्ट द रेसिपी फॉर द विद मेजरमेंट्स इन द वीडियो नाउ. मेरा जो इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट है उसमें भी मैं डालूंगा ये सब. सो यू कैन फॉलो मी देयर एंड देन यू कैन फाइंड द रेसिपी देयर. सो या, इट इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 250 to 300 kind of ये राइट. मैदा रिफाइंड फ्लोर डाल दिया मैंने और हल्का सा हल्दी. इससे जो ना येलो कलर जो होता है जाला रोटी का वो मिलता है. वी आर यूजिंग ए वेरी गुड. ओके, सो जो हल्दी जो है ना, like I said, I wanted to use a recipe, give you a recipe that emphasizes on immunity right now. जो अभी मैंने दोनों रेसिपी में अभी हल्दी है, so you are getting taste at the same time immunity as well, right? I hope I'm not taking too much of time now. तो ये जो है हल्दी डाल दिया मैंने, थोड़ा सा नमक, राइट, थोड़ा सा नमक और 150 ml कोकोनट मिल्क जो है ना वो ऐड करना. वी आर जस्ट एडिंग अ लिटिल कोकोनट मिल्क टू दिस. कोकोनट मिल्क की वजह से ना दो चीजें मिलता है रेसिपी में. वन इज द क्रीमीनेस, द टेस्ट, एंड एट द सेम टाइम जो रिचनेस होता है ऑयल का, जो फैट का जो टेक्सचर होता है, वो फैट का जो रिचनेस होता है, दैट इज व्हाट कोकोनट मिल्क ब्रिंग्स. आल्सो अ ब्यूटीफुल फ्लेवर. कोकोनट हैज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल फ्लेवर, राइट? तो वो भी आपको मिलता है.
Chef, next please make any non-veg recipe.
Definitely, yeah. I'm not a very non-veg enthusiast, but yeah, definitely, yeah. We have a lot of meat recipes in our recipe book. Definitely, because we will make some non-veg recipes for sure. So I'm adding a little water to it because we want a dosa kind of जो नॉर्थ इंडिया में जो चीला बोलते हैं ना, चीला, वही टेक्सचर, वही से वो वाला रेसिपी थोड़ा सा और पतला कंसिस्टेंसी हमको चाहिए, राइट? तो नॉट वेरी वाटरी, नॉट वेरी, जो डोसा बैटर का जो थिकनेस होता है, इट्स नॉट अ वेरी थिक बैटर, इट्स नॉट अ वेरी थिन बैटर. तो इसमें कुछ नहीं गाइस, इसमें मैदा है, कोकोनट मिल्क है, पानी है, हल्दी है, नमक है, नथिंग एल्स। और जो स्वीटनेस मेरे को चाहिए वो ऑलरेडी इससे भी मिल रहा है। तो कोकोनट मिल्क इज गोना ब्रिंग द रिचनेस आल्सो, राइट।
Chef, how much coconut milk you added?
Guys, I will leave the recipe in my in the feed now. So I'm adding approximately 150 to 180.
Can you repeat the dish name?
This is roti jala. It's a Malaysian street snack. आपको अगर स्पेलिंग चाहिए तो आप मेरा अमूल का जो क्रिएटिव है, लाइव जाने वाला, लाइव वाला नोटिफिकेशन वाला क्रिएटिव जो है, आप उसमें देख सकते हैं रोटी जाला। यू कैन गूगल इट। रोटी जाला जो है एक मलेशियन स्ट्रीट स्नैक है। इट लुक्स लाइक अ पैनकेक बट अ वेरी थिन पैनकेक इन द शेप ऑफ नेट। थोड़ा परफोरेटेड होता है थोड़ा। So it's very simple guys, it's a very unique recipe also. I love this recipe because जो इसका जो presentation होता है ना बहुत unique होता है। It's a very unique presentation, right? So this is the consistency that we want. तो जब क्या होता है ना कि when you तो थोड़ा सा इसमें लम्स निकालने के बाद वी विल ऐड द लास्ट इंग्रेडिएंट हियर। क्या है ना,
It's like Australian pancake.
क्या काइंड ऑफ थोड़ा एग भी आता है इसमें, तो या यू कुड से दैट। सो अभी लम्स को थोड़ा सा हटा दिया मैंने। तो नाउ आई वांट टू ऐड द फाइनल इंग्रेडिएंट। So guys, I'm adding 2 eggs here. 2 eggs. So approximately you could say 100 grams. So eggs का जो eggs ना, whenever you add egg to a recipe, what it does is it adds a very good richness because जो egg का जो yolk होता है it's full of fat, right? So the recipe gets even more better. So this is the kind of consistency we are looking at, right? This is the consistency. It's not very thin, it's not very thick, not very watery, and it's थोड़ा सा lumps है। इसको हम strain करेंगे, थोड़ा सा bottle में डाल सकते हैं, थोड़ा सा squeeze bottle में। So we're gonna make a net of pancake now. So you can have a look at this. So it's not very thin, it's not very thick. थोड़ा सा, right?
Can we make without eggs?
Yeah, you definitely can. But what happens is when you don't add egg to it, उसका जो binding agent नहीं है ना, तो क्या होता है, it becomes very crispy and crackling. फट जाता है मतलब टूट जाता है नेट। तो egg क्या करता है, मैदा को bind करके रखता है। That is the nature of egg, right? You can definitely make it without egg, but it's not going to be the same recipe. Yeah. So we'll just send it to the kitchen and then we'll have it strained now. Can they see me? Yeah. So we'll have it strained and then put it into a bottle like this, right? So yeah, so we'll put it in a bottle like this and then we'll go ahead with the recipe. अभी ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेंगे, okay? So guys, I have a hot pan now. I'll move on with the recipe now. So I'm gonna get the, so थोड़ा सा brush कर लिया मैंने butter में. Then I got the strained batter now. So now you can go live or zoom on this. So कुछ नहीं है. You just have to make a net with this. Just gonna make a net with this. So it's a very thin pancake, so it doesn't take much time to cook. ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता इसको पकने में. तो yeah, now before it turns any more dark brown, you just remove it. Remove the pancake. I'm gonna make one more now. So while I'm making my next pancake,
Looking super.
thank you guys. तो क्या है ना, तो इसमें जो हमारा मिक्सचर है, ये पनीर मिक्सचर जो है, इसको हम स्टफ करेंगे. थोड़ा सा बटर लगाएंगे ना, like I said before, everything becomes better with butter. तो उसमें जो नॉन कुक पार्ट है उसको हटा देंगे, ठीक है. Then it's simple guys. इसके बाद it's not a very complicated recipe. Just that we just make a net with it. थोड़ा सा इसको स्टफिंग कर लिया, थोड़ा रोल किया. बहुत सिंपल सा रेसिपी है, बहुत सिंपल सा रेसिपी है. My second pancake is ready. Don't forget it guys, you always keep your kitchen clean. It's very important for me. Yeah. So
Can you repeat the batter, please?
see, the batter is a very simple recipe. It's just approximately 250 to 280. I'll leave the recipe guys for you. So 250 to 280 grams refined flour, from 150 to 180 ml coconut milk, some salt to taste, and then a pinch of turmeric powder, and then water for the consistency of the batter. Right. So my second pancake is ready. So So while I make my one more wrap, I'd like to make one more wrap for you guys, because we make 3 per portion. जो है so this will be my last crepe for today. So while it is getting done, I can move on to my next wrap. Like how जो spring roll को fold करते हैं ना, वही सीन हो गया. I wanted to do a momo, but I don't know, momos बनाने में ना थोड़ा सा टेक्निक चाहिए होता है. So I don't know if everybody can do a momo here. So but yeah, this is equally good, right? So we're going to the last stage of our recipe guys. This is the third stage. इसके बाद I'll be closing the recipe now. So if you have any questions, you can let me know. You can share the Facebook feed to any of your friends. Let them enjoy the recipe. Let them
Instead of coconut milk, can we use normal milk?
yeah, you can, but जो कोकोनट का जो फ्लेवर होता है ना, कोकोनट मिल्क का जो फ्रेशनेस होता है ना, वो मिल्क में नहीं मिलता है, मिल्क से नहीं मिलता है. You can definitely use Amul cream or milk in that, because जो उसका लेकिन या डेफिनेटली यू कैन यूज इट, बट कोकोनट का फ्लेवर जो है वो बहुत अलग अलग सा फ्लेवर है. इट्स अ प्लांट बेस्ड मिल्क. इट्स उसमें इट्स वेरी हेल्दी फॉर यू. एट द सेम टाइम जो मिल्क का जो हेल्थ पार्ट है वो अलग है. उसमें वे प्रोटीन होता है, इसमें प्लांट बेस्ड गुडनेस होता है. सो दे आर नॉट द सेम, बट या डेफिनेटली यू कैन यूज मिल्क, राइट. या सो माई थर्ड crepe is ready almost. So guys, I'm happy that I could use all the entire mixture that I made. बिल्कुल वेस्ट नहीं हुआ. That is what the best part about the recipe is. Like when you do it, that is what I look for. Like you don't waste anything, right? So pretty much जो mixture मैंने बनाया वो पूरा खत्म हो गया. So this is my last step. So my range is now off now. तो स्प्रिंग रोल की तरह रोल कर देते हैं इसको. फिर से इसको भी रोल कर देते हैं. रोल कर लिया. So we'll keep it on the top. So we have our 3 recipes ready now. 3 roti jalas with mushroom and paneer melego are ready. I have a small sauce for you which is very close to like जो hot and garlic sauce की तरह कुछ एक sauce बनाया मैंने. तो I'll just put it on like I'm making a platter of roti jala, right? So थोड़ा सा ऊपर. अगर सॉस के बिना भी आप ये कर सकते हैं. I have some micro greens here. अभी this is also a healthy part. I have micro greens for you guys. I have some freshly cut spring onions. Spring onion डाल सकते हैं. Since it's a little oriental, I wanted to use this thing, right? Like I said, I use a lot of herbs in my cooking because I love the freshness that a herb brings to a platter, right? तो अभी मैंने already 3 herbs and ये use कर लिया मैंने. This is my final step, guys. So this is your paneer and mushroom melegu roti jala. This is my second recipe for you guys. So yeah, I made 2 recipes. So one is the toasty, another is the roti jala, right? Keep the kitchen clean now. So I'll go back to the team now. ठीक है. नहीं गली बंद. Okay guys, my recipe is ready now. So yeah guys, come here. So Sukumar, Mohan and Satya did an amazing job. I am very happy that that I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. So I will share my Instagram feed and the Instagram link and Facebook page link, everything, and then yeah, you can try the recipes. You can tag me, call me Yes Chef, and then so I don't take no for an answer. Yes Chef, and do your recipes, and then you can post it on your feed. And yeah, my okay guys, say bye to everyone, and then let's close it off.
Thanks.
Hold it. So yeah, so while we are signing off, just make sure that you wear mask everywhere, and while you are going, yeah, we wear mask everywhere, and then it is the most important thing that you can do. You can stop the spread now. So yeah, this is my final recipe. You can just so I'm signing off, guys. I'm signing off now. You can share the recipe with your friends, and then